Hey guys, today I'm doing my February 2018 bullet journal setup. The theme for the month is Valentine's Day. I just went on to justcoloring.net, as you can see on the left hand side, and downloaded a coloring page. On the right hand side, I'll be using my new Pentel touch pens to try to do some calligraphy. I'm new to this, so my calligraphy is not very good. As you can see here, I try to go back in and do some thickening to my letters, but it doesn't really work out so well, so I just move on. I'm just testing out some pens to see what color best suits my design. I went with the Staedtler pen in red. I'll be using my number 18 stencil that I got in my AliExpress bundle. I'm just going to be drawing 28 hearts and numbering them, and this is going to be my February calendar countdown. Behind my title page, I'll be doing my February at a glance page, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did last month, just listing all the dates going down and writing down important dates or events. I'll probably mostly use this for YouTube again. On the right hand side, I'll be doing my habit tracker. Once again, I'm only tracking a couple of things, so I'll be using half of the sheet for my sleep tracker. The ruler that I'm using here I got from AliExpress, and it actually folds out to a full-size ruler. I'm using my Crayola Supertips crayons here. For my first week layout, I decided to do a design in 1 week, which of course meant that I had to do my second week in also 1 page. I'm keeping it very simple here, just some squares and some lines, and I'll be going in and adding some detail later. For my third week, I decided to do a 2-page layout. I'm trying to keep my designs very simple and minimalistic. Making small mistakes doesn't really bother me like I did here in my Monday box. I know I could always go back in and white it out. I'm trying not to be a perfectionist when it comes to my designs. For my next week, I decided to do 8 boxes instead of 7, and using that extra box for to-dos or maybe notes. As I started to write in the days for my weekly spreads, I realized that my design was a little too simple, so I went in and started drawing some roses. I use a very simple rose design. I'll be adding the roses to all of the weekly spreads as well as some drop shadows for my boxes. As I'm just starting out with this bullet journal, I'm still experimenting and trying things out. I went a little outside my comfort zone and decided to doodle and draw. I'm not a very good artist, so most of my designs and drawings are very simple. I like writing my dates in all lowercase letters, but I know that sometimes it can bother people when they do that. So in my next weekly design, I'll be using some uppercase as well as some lowercase. The detail that I'm adding to the roses is just some leaves and some thorns. I noticed that my previous page needed some thorns, so I went back and added them in. I'm just going in and adding some color to my pages. Here you can see I went in with upper and lowercase letters for the days of the week. I also noticed that the hearts I was drawing with the Crayola Supertips weren't as distinct as I wanted them to be, so I went in with my black Sharpie and did an outline on them. I went back to my habit tracker and sleep tracker and added the rose design. As well as added the rose design to my February month at a glance. And here's the overview for my February bullet journal setup. On the left hand side is the coloring page, right hand side is my monthly countdown, followed by my February month at a glance, as well as my habit tracker and sleep tracker. And then of course we go into my weekly designs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!